Hi, Matthew. It's Pat. It's time for another story out of level F on the Tutor Mates stories. This one is a good one. It's a kind of a Seattle type of story. Simon Loves the Rain, written by Anne Harth. Simon loves the rain. He wears his red boots and a yellow hat. He pulls on his green coat. Take your umbrella, Simon, Mom says. Okay, says Simon as he grabs his purple umbrella. The rain comes down. Pitter, pitter, pitter. Simon jumps and puddles. Splish, splish, splish. The rain comes down harder. Patter, patter, patter. Simon jumps in deeper puddles. Splash, splash, splash. The rain is heavy. Plunk, plunk, plunk. Simon jumps in puddles. Water fills his boots. Slosh, slosh, slosh. Simon runs inside. Mom looks at Simon. His hat drips. His coat drips. His boots are full of water. Simon holds up his umbrella. Look, Mom, I took my umbrella. So let's go over the questions for the Simon Loves the Rain story. Number one, what color is Simon's umbrella? Number two, what type of day is it outside in the story? Number three, what does mom give Simon? And last, what color is Simon's hat? I thought that was a good story, and I hope you did too, Matthew. Talk talk again soon. Bye.